K Smiles, gonna give you a smile. Right dab on your face. K Smile.
Hey guys, this is K Smiles, and I'm going to be showing you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, let's start solving. So, the first thing, we gotta go on the blue side, right here. So, we're gonna turn it once this way. So, now we're gonna get the green side. We're gonna turn it this way, the opposite way of the blue. Now we're gonna go on the yellow side, putting it this way. Now, take the orange side, turn it this way. Now go back to the white side, and then turn it that way. Now we're gonna go on the blue side. Okay, now we're gonna do 1, 2. Now again on the orange side. 1, 2. Now again on the red side. If I go too fast in this video, you can always pause the video. So let's move on. Okay, get on the red side 2 times. White side. Hey guys, we got some problems with the camera, so let's move on. So, we go on the green side. Turn it once. Go back on the red side. Okay, now we're gonna turn it this way. Green. Again, 2 times. Now go back to the red. 1 time. 2 yellows. 1, 2. Orange. 1. And then yellow. Yellow has to go 2 times. Red. 1 time. Blue. 2 times. And then yellow. 2 times. Let's go to the orange side and do it once. And then we solve the Rubik's Cube. Bye guys, I hope you liked my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.